It's a beautiful morning out here on the Madison, rigging up some dries, and we're just hitting the banks right now, throwing some big foam. Are we throwing big foam right now?
Big foam.
Big foam. Foam is home. Looking for a big brown. It's a pretty warm morning. Water's a little bit lower than it's been, but it's all right because we're tossing dries.
Come on, big brown. Little dude. Oh, peace. What's up, dude? Little guy on the dry.
I'm going to pull us out in the middle.
There's one. What's up, dude? A little bit better. Maybe a 6-incher rather than a 4-incher. My friend calls these ones penis fish. I don't know, I'd have to catch a 20-incher to call it a penis fish. What's up, dude? Ah! Ah! Brown in the boat! Little dude.
Where are you, baby? I have the
Hey,
That's a fat fish. Yeah.
Oh, look at the fatness of it. My goodness.
He's the fat kid in school.
Well done, Matt. You're
Oh, good one. This is a good one. It's a really good one.
Oh, you got one?
Yeah, it's a really good one. Slurped it. It's like a 15-incher maybe. Ow! Roll Tide.
Oh, it's a beautiful fish.
Roll Tide, roll. Man, thank you. Nice.
Keep going.
That's what we're after.